Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So if you've been watching my videos, you probably already know I installed two different types of air intake kits on my 2016 Mercedes-Benz C300. The first air intake kit was an open style performance air filter with a black heat resistant aluminum cover, and that was from Tornado Tuning. And that was a really good air intake kit, but then I took it off and then I installed another version from Tornado Tuning that was a carbon fiber style. So it still had the performance open style air filter and it had the heat resistant coating as well, but now it looked like it was carbon fiber, so it looks really cool under the hood. And in combination with the air intake kit, I installed a turbocharge pipe from Tornado Tuning. And that was a heat resistant aluminum turbocharge pipe, and it's been working really well. However, Tornado Tuning just released a brand new turbocharge pipe. And if you guys know me, I need to have it. So what's so good about this new turbocharge pipe? Well, it's the same exact turbocharge pipe that's heat resistant and aluminum, but now it also has that carbon fiber style on the outside. And I think that's going to look really cool matching the air intake kit. And I want to thank Tornado Tuning for sponsoring this video and providing me with the product. And if you want more information on any of their products, I'll leave information in the description below. So next, let me show you the installation of the turbocharge pipe. It's actually the same exact process as my previous charge pipe, so I'll give you a video clip from that video. And once it's installed on the car, you guys let me know your thoughts. So now, let's get to the install. I'm going to start off by removing the engine cover, and then to remove the turbocharge pipe, I need extra room, so I'm going to remove this pipe out of the way. Removing this is pretty easy. I'm just going to remove these two clamps, remove this hose, and remove this screw right over here. And then I can pull it right off. Now I'm going to completely remove these two hose clamps. And I'm just going to use a screwdriver to help me pry apart this silicone holding the turbocharge pipe in place. Now I can go ahead and yank the whole thing out. So here you can see the stock pipe and you can see the new pipe. The stock pipe is plastic, and again, over time, this piece right here or the whole thing will vibrate and that can fall apart. The new one, as you can see, the construction's really nice, full aluminum. This thing is quality. It also comes with this new spout. I'm going to plug that in right here, just like the stock one. That should be pretty easy. Comes with two new hose clamps and a new silicone sleeve. I got to go ahead and prep this before I can put it on the car. I'm going to start by removing the screw. And then on the bottom here, there's some inserts. That's where the new spout is going to go. But first, I need to remove it using an Allen key. And now I'm just going to screw this right in and tighten it down. And this one right here, I'm going to leave in, but I'm going to tighten it down since the old one doesn't have that hole. And now it's ready to go on the car. I'm going to start by sliding it in the left side and then aligning it with the tube leading to the intercooler. Next, push the silicone sleeve over and install the two hose clamps. Now I'm just going to tighten that new screw on the left side. And then reconnect the tube going into the spout. Okay, now I'm just going to replace the tube that I removed. Reinstall the engine cover. And that's it. Well, there you have it, guys. Here's the new turbocharge pipe, and it looks awesome. Again, that is all aluminum. It has a heat-resistant coating, but now it has that carbon fiber hydro dip, which I think looks really good. And also, it matches with my air intake kit from Tornado Tuning. And I also have that heat-resistant larger intercooler from Tornado Tuning as well. So that's been working really well. There's only one thing I don't like about this. When I install the engine cover, it kind of hides it. But at the end of the day, I know I have an upgraded turbocharge pipe, and that's all that matters to me. And of course, if I ever take this car to a car meet, I'm going to lift up this engine cover and show off what I got. Really cool. Well, there you have it. Another really cool product from Tornado Tuning. I really like it, even though the engine cover kind of covers it up. But if you're poking around the engine and you're looking around, you'll definitely know that something's pretty cool underneath that engine cover. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.